Okay, today is June 12th, 2021, and Mauricio's already put the whole front end in. We're just doing some final adjustments. He's got the top there. We've got a brand new steering box, and he's putting in the drag length right now. And then we're going to go through and tighten up all the nuts before we take it over to have the front end of the line.
I'm gonna have to take this one off so I could come in through the top.
What, the sway bar?
No.
Oh, the Pitman arm?
Yeah, this one over here, because in order to take this one off to make it fit, I would have to take off the whole box, and I don't want to do that.
Yeah,
it's
okay.
easier just to do that.
All right, so that's kind of a quickie update, and we'll be taking some other video in a little bit. Okay, so we got the steering wheel all straightened up now.
Is it okay to start tightening everything up?
Yeah, that's what we're going to do now, is we're going to try and tighten all this up. We're dressed right here. This is up close of the underneath. Here's the steering box. So this is how I usually spend my time on the El Camino, underneath looking up. So we just got our drag link in. We got our Pitman arm in. We had to make a gap. I don't know if we can see it right here. Right in between the Pitman arm and the sway bar. So what we're going to do is we're going to get these castle nuts all taken care of and put the tires on and see if we're still clearing everything, because right when that comes in there, right there, so we got, you know, where the bolts come through and everything, we got to see how that's all going to work. So there's my automated wrench there. And it's approaching rotisserie temperatures right now, so we're going to get hot on this, get to the back end of this. So anyway, next update in a few minutes. Okay, here it's filming. Just keep the grease off the lens. Well, here it is. Mauricio's got me with the littlest crescent wrench we could find.
Okay. Maestro Parsons.
So we kind of firmed up the drag link to the steering box arm. I don't know, what's that arm called?
Oh, this Pitman arm.
Is this the Pitman arm?
Yes.
Or is that? This is the Pitman arm. Okay. Well, that's the idler. Bam!
You want one of the wrenches instead?
Huh?
Want one of the other wrenches instead?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I do. Just let it run. Here, hand it to me.
Leave it. I'm gonna put it down. Perfect. Don't touch it.
Okay.
It's recording. Keep talking.
That's the size you want there. Yeah, let's clear the air here. Oh. So we're tightening this up, and then right here I'll be tightening up that castle nut. We've got this one already finished, and then I've got this tie rod in right here that we got to tighten up. and then we'll be in a better situation to kind of at least get it to the point where we can take it over to the front end shop, the frame shop. And it was the power steering, the gearbox was leaking all over. It was creating most of the oil leaks. So I'm still gonna change the on the other side of this TH350, because they're just rubber hoses coming out of the side of the tranny, so we're gonna fix that. And with about 6,000 miles on this I can't, Summit Racing, this was a crate engine I put in 2017. Front seal's holding up pretty good. Most of its existence has been above 3,200 RPM. It doesn't seem to, except when we're on the surface streets for a little bit. Mauricio's getting a wrench for this nut. Maybe we don't have them in the box?
No, those are too big.
Oh, I guess the box of wrenches I bought was too much, so we're going to take a break here. Okay, here we are. Mauricio's got his side. I'm finishing this up right here.
Of course it's tight. What do you think? I'm going to get the control arms backwards?
Yeah, and maybe even the here, I'll just leave it go there. Okay, that ball joint is done. Okay, so now we got to get this one. I don't know where that hole is.
Let's just poke around.
Oh. Son, you know what this is, right?
Beating around the bush?
Yeah. Is that what you want me to do up here?
Yeah.
Alright, where's the wrench?
Here.
Let me take that nut off first so I can see where the hole is. Oh, it's over here. So this is, we got all new steering knuckles and new power steering pump. Everything in the steering is all new.
Except for the driver.
A little bit more. Almost. Hey, there's my buddy, the other old crow.
Is that the guy you went to high school with?
Yeah. These McDonald's headrests are pretty good. I guess I have to go the other way. A little bit more. Finally. Okay. Okay, so we got that. We got this is done, this is done. Give me a wrench to loosen these up for the moment.
Why?
Because I want them loose. I want to.
Alright.
Okay, you can tighten yours up now. Here. Okay, so Mauricio's got that one to do, and the other. Take that off so you can see where the hole is. It's kind of hard
here.
unless you can see it.
It's over here. It's looking at me straight in the eye.
Is it? Just a one-eye? The Cyclops? I have the Cyclops. Okay, so here we're at. I'm greasing all of the Zert. Over on the other side, there's 9. There's 3 Zert fittings for every upper and lower A arms. And so there's some, as you can see right there. I like these because they have the caps on them. Keeps those Zert fittings clean. And so I got... I'm trying to keep this level. Oh. This one here, and this one right here behind there. So those are the hardest ones. So we've got 1, 2, 3 on the idler arm. 4, 5 on the sway bar, and we've got 6 total on the upper and lower A arms. So there's a heck of a lot of Zert fittings on here. I may have to go recharge the grease gun. So that's about it. Okay, this is the first test drive. We haven't done the rear yet, but we're gonna So I'm trying to get the air out of the power steering system. I'll just go ahead and go. I'll be right back. Keep your phone close in case I have to call you. So, boy, the front is really stiff. Just not the same as those coil springs, that's for sure. This thing is nice. Fuck, you can't see a damn thing around here. Well, it looks like it's handling well enough to get over to the front, to the frame shop. So I'm just going to end this right now.